What's going on, guys? A lot of you probably clicked on this video either because you want to know what it is that a superintendent does or how to become a superintendent. Before I get into that, I'm just going to do a brief introduction of myself. So my name is Rodney Montgomery. I've been in the industry roughly about 6 years. I work for a general contractor as a superintendent. Most of my career has been in the commercial industrial sector. I build warehouses, also known as tilt-ups or tilt-wall construction. These buildings have ranged from anywhere from 100,000 square feet all the way up to 1,000,000 square feet. These have been ground-up facilities. Some of them have been some tenant TIs, also known as tenant improvements. But most of them have been from ground up, start to finish. So I started my career as a laborer and moved up the ranks. Just working hard and continuing to get better. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started to what it is a superintendent. So a construction superintendent is a field supervisor for all of the trades on site that manages the safety, schedule, inspections, and verifying the work in place meets the plans and specs as well as the quality. A typical day for a superintendent may include opening the site before everyone arrives, conducting a job walk to check the progress of the project, conducting a meeting with the site lead to discuss schedule, safety, any type of constraints, deliveries, or any information they may need from you. The superintendent is also in charge of scheduling inspections with the city or any third-party contractors that may be required. The superintendent works hand in hand with the project manager. Generally speaking, the super will run the field and the PM will run the office side of things, such as change orders, plan revisions, writing contracts, dealing with the owners or client, whomever that might be. You don't need a degree to become a superintendent, but it wouldn't hurt to have one. Most of the experience you need will come from the actual on-the-job training and seeing it hands-on. The best thing you can do when you're first starting out is to find a good mentor, ask tons of questions, and never be afraid to ask what you don't know. The worst thing you can do is not ask anything. Don't try to learn everything at once. Experience comes with time. I wouldn't recommend asking all. I would recommend asking all the site leads, what they're doing, how they're doing it, and why they're doing it. And most of the time, they'll be able to just tell you. They'll tell you with no hesitation. Because they want to pass along that knowledge. Another thing I would recommend is looking at your plans, or also known as your drawings, and then try to think of it and how you think it would be built, and then go actually walk out into the field and look at it and try to visualize, does this make sense? Hey, what I looked at on the drawings, does this make sense on how it's actually being installed right now in the field? You're not going to learn everything overnight, and no one is going to expect you to. You're going to make mistakes, and that's normal. So I'll be creating this page, and I'll be uploading weekly or bi-weekly, giving information and teaching people the steps, procedures, and different types of methods that we do in the field. So this is going to be a short and sweet video. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that like button. And like I said, I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.